In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix picture in Microsoft Word. If your image keeps jumping around, pushes your text out of place, or refuses to sit where you want it, this quick method will get you back in control. First, make sure your document is open in Word and you can see the picture you want to adjust. The moment you click the picture, Word switches into picture editing mode and shows a small floating button near the image called Layout Options. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Move your mouse slightly over the picture's edge and it should appear. That button is the key to unlocking how your picture behaves with the surrounding text. Go ahead and click the picture so it's selected. You'll notice small handles around the edges, which confirms it's active. With the image selected, look for the Layout Options icon just to the right of the picture. Click that icon to open a compact menu of text wrapping choices. This menu tells Word how to position your image in relation to the text on the page. For controlled, predictable placement that still lets the text flow around your image, choose Square. This is the best everyday option because it allows you to move the picture more naturally than the default inline setting, while keeping your paragraphs neatly wrapped around it. After selecting Square, try dragging the picture slightly. You'll see the text automatically reflow to fit around the edges of the image, which is great for reports, newsletters, and documents where you want a polished layout without the image covering any words. If you need complete freedom to place the picture anywhere on the page, even on top of text, choose in front of text. This setting detaches the image from the text flow so you can move it exactly where you want. It's ideal for decorative graphics, watermarks, or layered designs. Just keep in mind that because the picture sits above the text, it can hide words if you place it over a paragraph. If that happens, simply click the Layout Options icon again and switch back to Square to reveal the text. That's all there is to it. Click the picture, click Layout Options, and choose either Square for normal movement with tidy wrapping or in front of text for free movement. Make your selection, test the placement with a quick drag, and you're done. With this simple adjustment, your images will stay where you want them and your document will look exactly the way you envisioned.